戴口罩。开始热了。哦。
那你就脱啦。
我等一下啦。
麻烦吗？
不麻烦。哦。对啊。217、218。Hello。哇，这么多。
Can I help you in any way? You got it? Okay.
要飞5个小时。
We direct just as soon as you have found your seat, please step out of the aisle so that other passengers may pass you and continue onto their seats. Place your larger items in the overhead bins, your smaller items underneath the seat in front of you. There's not a seat in front of you, there's a wall in front of you. You may not have any items in behind your legs or against the wall. Everything must be placed in an overhead bin. Once again, we'd like to welcome you aboard Flight 606 with service to John F. Kennedy's International Airport in New York. Welcome aboard. Boarding is complete, ladies and gentlemen. At this time, we do need all passengers in their seats and all overhead bins closed.
没位置，都放满。这。Oh, sorry.通常开着飞机就好了，开着飞机模式就好了。哦。
front.